Peanuts are an ingredient quite often used in Asian recipes. They will bring a delicious flavor and crunch to the stir-fried Chinese peanut chicken. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. Start by marinating the chicken. Cut the thighs into chunks. Remove the skin. Season them with 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a pinch of salt, some ground pepper. Also add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to keep the chicken tender and juicy after cooking. Combine. Let rest while continuing the preparation. Cut all the vegetables into chunks. 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1/2 pepper, and 50 grams of celery, chop 3 cloves of garlic. Put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic. Regularly stir. When they start to color, add the chicken pieces. Spread them well in order to let them grill a little on the surface. It takes 30 seconds. Then stir from time to time for 1 minute. Put the onion and the carrot. Briefly stir. Season with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, a pinch of salt, some ground pepper. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Add 7 centiliters of water. Stir for 30 seconds. Now put the pepper, the celery, and the peanuts. Mix another 30 seconds. The stir-fried Chinese peanut chicken is ready. It was a quick dish to prepare. It has a nice mix of colors. Serve it with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! This dish is really full of flavors and textures. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.